studying for my bar mitzvah, I should mention, there's a great movie. I think it's a great movie. Recently called Serious Man that the Coen brothers made. They're a little younger than me, but it's close enough. Maybe it's about 5 years younger than me. Growing up Jewish, in this case it was I guess in Minnesota. And there's a boy in there who's studying for his bar mitzvah. And it's exactly the way it was. You were just taught in a rote fashion what to do. Okay, there was no meaning to it. Okay, the cantor cut a record, a wax record, and he sang the Haftarah. And what you did was you played it at home, and you basically started imitating. It was like doing a cover version, actually. Like if you think about what it was, okay, of what the cantor was saying, okay, and you didn't know the words. I mean, what they meant. I don't think you read it in English. You weren't asked as part of your bar mitzvah. Gee whiz, can you now interpret? Today they actually do that with bar mitzvahs. You talk to the congregation and tell us the meaning of this section from the Torah or whatever. None of that. It was just simply, and I still know today the first line of it by heart. Chazon Avadaya Kalmar Adonai Elohim. That's it. And it cuts off. It's still implanted in the brain cells